So join us on our adventure back to Florida and
You look
all
like
the
a
fun.
thumb.
Look how big my neck is.
You look like a
Look
thumb.
at it. I do look like a thumb. It's
I
weird.
think it's just because you're in the corner.
Yes.
But...
Oh my God, that was terrible. All right. Well, join us while I stabilize the camera. Join us on our adventures back down to Florida. It's going to be so much. It's going to be so much fun. And if there's anything you guys would like to see from us, just let us know in the comments below. Hello.
Hi. So this is kind of a weird place to start a vlog, but we're gonna do it anyways. We are at the end of a tournament. We usually start vlogs at the beginning of a tournament, but
Yeah, we just wrapped up Waco, and if you didn't know, it was cut short. We only played 2 rounds because of the coronavirus, as it's being named, is spreading, and it's in the best interest of everyone around that we do not play these big events, and because it's bringing a lot of crowds, and that's the biggest way to spread the virus. So I think it's a really good idea on the PGA part, but that throws us in a loop. So what are we doing?
so Eric's talking about this in a really lighthearted way, but it's really been a day that's like indescribable.
Weird day.
We've had some big crazy days, but it's not just about Waco.
Yeah.
Eric and I have talked a lot about like what our year's gonna look like, and GBO is one of our biggest favorite events. We get special discs for that. We always plan a lot of things around GBO. And so finding out that was canceled is, I think, the biggest reason why it hit so hard.
Yeah, we were missing Jonesboro, which is an event that I've played well at the past years, and I've always looked forward to that one, not only because of the courses, but the campground is super sweet. Like, we have like all these cool things that you didn't think that you weren't gonna do, because it's just part of what we've always done.
Yeah, we have like events set up too that we're gonna have to like refund people. So it's just and we found out slowly throughout the morning.
Yeah.
At first it was no spectators, then it was round 3 was canceled, and then it was all of our events are canceled until May.
Through May, yeah.
So, just kind of as things progressed, it became a bigger and bigger and bigger deal. And as you find out, like, this is not obviously just affecting us, but teachers and, schools canceled and all this, everybody's jobs are in a very weird place. So it's not like it's not affecting other people. It's just that we are in Texas, and now where do we go? What do we do? How do we make money? How do we get by? Because we really do rely on a couple of those events, and now we have to like figure out how to make things work.
Well, here's the brighter side. I'll stay on the bright side because
Sorry,
I'm Mr. Brightside. Nailed it. Yeah, let's go, Killers. We will still have the special discs for GBO, so we will still be able to get those in people's hands. We are going to definitely be putting those on the Whale Sacks website. Which website? Yeah. Well, either, but you guys will know. So those will be a awesome opportunity to grab some of those special discs, and we have a couple ideas that we are going to kind of play around with, like the potential to maybe doing a live clinic where we go live and teach a clinic that anybody can log into, and potentially, if you want to ask questions, we might, you may pay $1 or something. We have no idea what that looks like, but definitely something that we are considering doing to to give you guys content and also provide plastic for whenever you do get to go throw and get out and play. You got all these sweet things. So those are the positive things that I feel like we're going to be doing. We are probably going. We are going back home to Pensacola, to our house. So that's kind of a cool thing.
I was already gonna go, but we're just gonna go back now and spend about 3 weeks there.
And then we're gonna go to Emporia, Kansas, to spend time with Dee Dee and do a lot of media stuff with them. So you're gonna see media from our side that will likely go between our channel and the Dynamic Disc channel. And then while we're in Emporia, there will be a ton of Dee Dee content coming out to, just so if we're not going to be able to watch as much disc golf like usual, but
we'll try to make some for you guys to watch at home.
It's going to be sweet. So we're really, really looking forward to that. I think it's all going to work out in the end. And, for us, it's like, as Tina so eloquently put on her Facebook today, off season 2.0. The way I look at it, I'm going to go home, kind of get back into the same regimen I had before the season, hit the gym, hit the field, hit the basket, and, just let the body feel really good for whenever we do get to start playing. Hopefully we're back and we do the full California swing and we get after it and everything goes normal and we get to go to Europe. We get to go do everything that we've already planned on. Stay tuned for that. There's going to be a lot of content through us. We'll be updating our Instagrams. We'll be talking about discs, about life, about everything. So it's going to be really fun. Life.
So for now, we're going to go to Florida.
Mm-hmm. Everybody be safe, please.
Yeah.
So, Tina, what are we doing?
We got a new battery.
So this thing is old.
Yeah, it's been faulty since we got it.
It's new.
And it finally died on us this weekend.
Yeah.
Gonna
Just
have
like
to
won't
reset
even
the
hold
clock.
any charge or do anything. So
But we were boondocking all week, so we definitely used a lot of power.
So hopefully this will increase our.
We've had the same crappy battery for 3 years,
Since we bought it,
and
right?
it was bad when we got it. So
we definitely got our use out of this thing, so we're ready to be done.
Tom and Missy saved the day. Because
Look at this guy and his tools. He got out of tools.
Tom Young's tools.
Pepe! Oh, you're so cute. You're making everybody happy.
Okay, is someone stronger than me want to take this battery out?
I got it. So strong. Disc golf strong. Oh wait. Should have Disc Golf Strong get it out.
Yeah. Seth Muncie of Disc Golf Strong. Alright, so we officially have a plan. I know we already mentioned we're going home, but we're going to go home today. And we're going to bring Calvin Heimberg with us.
Woo!
He's going to go home so he can play.
I think he's going to play Throw Down the Mountain
Yeah.
if it continues to.
Yeah, everything's kind of pending right now. Nobody knows what they're going to do. So at least we're going to get him closer to home, and then he can somehow get back down to Clearwater. But we'll chill with Calvin for a little while.
Yeah.
We found. Wait, where's the toilet paper?
There is not.
We don't have toilet paper. We got paper towels.
Paper towels for days.
You always wipe it
I
back.
thought we found it first try and I was gonna brag about it. Nope. I guess we got Kleenex instead. Shoot. Weird time we live in right now. This is bizarre. It's all the toilet paper gone.
Feel the rhythm! Feel the rhyme! Get on, Vinny, it's bobsled time!
Ryan's here. We are north of Houston,
Huntsville.
in Huntsville.
We're going to prison. Yeah.
We didn't want to go through Houston because it's crazy traffic. So here we are
I'll just drive an hour up here.
to eat ice cream with us. And
Everybody
whatever.
bang on trash cans in Houston now?
Yes.
Roasted.
Here, hold this. I need my other hand.
Boom roasted. That's what she said.
You're a Rangers fan, so.
Yeah, I know. I
Feel
love
good.
it. Yeah, you're feeling
Hit
good.
in! Hit in! Oh god. It's pretty normal. Look at his white legs.
That tan line.
That's so bad.
Wants to go closer.
You have a problem.
I can't help it.
What's
This
over
hurts.
there, Eric?
Want a burger? My brain wants it.
Okay, this is the reason I started taking
Fight
the
it.
video. Ryan, what shade is your lipstick?
Red velvet. And my toes are night sky.
They almost match mine, but mine are just purple, so.
Some people with the toe thing are either gonna love or hate that flavor.
Not even close.
It's tough.
Now do Calvin.
It's tough.
Thank you so much. You guys have a great night.
7 hours later.
46. On June 27th, it might cost you $46 to get there.
So Calvin's trying to figure out how to go home for the throw down the mountain, and flights are $45 right now every single day.
Every day.
Eric might go because it's cheap.
Potentially.
Okay, but also I really just wanted to show y'all. This is what we all feel like right now. What time did we get in?
3 something.
3:15 was when we arrived and started unhooking the car.
I didn't lay down till 3:45 at least.
Yeah. There was things we had to take care of.
It was late,
Yeah.
Past my bedtime.
but we're home. Comfy beds, and our cat is really happy. Where's she?
I don't know.
I don't know what I'm doing. Coronavirus 2020.
Eric's really mad at Calvin because he's gonna leave us.
We spent all this time, over 10 hours in a vehicle together, and he's just gonna leave? We've invested so much in you,
But
and you're just gonna leave!
I think Eric thinks that we adopted Calvin.
We did! He's our son!
He's his own man
No, he's not. He's a child.
who's taller than you.
The tallest child I've ever seen. He's
Only
he should,
slightly younger than you.
He
and-
should be in the Guinness Book of World Records for the tallest kid ever.
I have some. You guys had me young, huh? I have some really
So
young
young.
parents.
And somehow you ended up taller than both of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that recessive traits. Let's go. Well, we're gonna go do things that aren't touring disc golf anymore, because it's our life right now.
Like what?
I don't know. Maybe go to the beach, throw some frizz. But, stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be putting out a lot more content. And, maybe you'll see this guy a little bit more. Maybe you won't. Who knows? If you guys just guilt him into staying with us, maybe he will stay. But Tina and I will be doing a lot of videos, lots of disc golf stuff and everything. What do you think? What do you think?
That's good for you.
Do you want to say bye to everyone?
No, the video's starting.
No, this is the end.
Bye.
We can lay up from there.